Let's start by heading to the AI Agents tab in your PulseGrowth dashboard. From there, select the Voice AI tab and click Create Agent. To begin, choose Create Custom Agent. This gives you full control over how your voice agent behaves and what it can do. Inside Agent Details, start by naming your Voice AI agent. Then enter your business name, select your preferred language, choose the voice type, set your time zone, and select the LLM model. Next, write the initial message for your AI agent. This is what callers will hear first, so make sure it sounds natural and welcoming. At this stage, you also have the option to enable outbound calling. If you turn this on, you'll be asked to select a disclaimer type. You'll see three options: concise, standard, and conversational. Choose the one that best fits your communication style. After selecting your disclaimer, write the agent's intent message. This explains what your AI agent is designed to help with, such as booking appointments, answering questions, or routing calls. Once all of this is complete, click Next to continue. Now you'll be prompted to the next part. By default, you'll be prompted to the basic version of the bot, but for this walkthrough, we'll switch to advanced mode, which allows you to create your own prompt and define custom actions. For now, we'll skip the knowledge base section and come back to it later. In advanced mode, you can write your own prompt for the bot. This is where you define how the AI should speak, what it should ask, and how it should guide callers through conversations. Take your time here, because this prompt controls your agent's behavior. Once your prompt is ready, you can start adding actions. These actions allow your voice AI to do things like transfer calls, trigger workflows, send SMS messages, or update contact fields automatically. Let's start by adding a call transfer action. Click the call transfer button, give the action a name, and enter the phone number where calls should be transferred. Then define when the transfer should happen. For example, when the caller asks to speak with the owner or a manager. You can also write what the agent should say before transferring the call, such as a polite message letting the caller know they're being connected. Once that's done, click Save. You can also add actions to update contact fields. This allows the AI to capture information like first name, last name, or any custom fields you've created. Simply give the action a name, select the contact field you want to update, specify what should be written into that field, add a few examples to guide the AI, and then click Save. After you've finished building your prompt and adding all necessary actions, click Next. Now it's time to select the phone number for your voice AI agent. Choose the number you'd like the bot to use. You can also set working hours for your agent. If you want your bot to be active all the time, simply leave the toggle off. If your business operates on specific hours, you can enable working hours and define when the agent should be available. Under Agent Goals, you'll find additional options to automate what happens after a call ends. For example, you can trigger workflows when calls are completed and send notifications to admins, users, or custom email addresses. This is especially useful for keeping your team informed and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. Before moving forward, you also have the option to evaluate your prompt. This feature scans your setup for possible errors. If any issues are detected, they'll appear on the right-hand side. Simply click on an error and select Resolve to fix it. Once everything looks good, continue to the next step. Now let's move on to the knowledge base. From the top menu, click on the Knowledge Base tab. This is where you train your AI agent using your own business information. You can add custom URLs, allowing the bot to learn directly from your website pages. You can also create FAQs by entering questions and answers manually, then clicking Save. In addition to that, you can upload CSV files, add rich text, or upload documents to further train your bot. All of this information helps your voice AI provide accurate, business-specific responses to callers. Once your knowledge base is created, return to the voice AI agent you just built. Under Bot Goals, connect the knowledge base to your agent. This ensures your AI uses the training data during conversations, and that's it. You've now learned how to create a voice AI agent, customize prompts, add actions like call transfers and contact updates, assign phone numbers, configure working hours, evaluate prompts, build a knowledge base, and connect that knowledge directly to your bot. For further information, feel free to visit our support portal. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at connect2pulsegrowth.io.